I'm afraid it's a low effort lunch kind of day, and I'm craving a chicken burger. Give your pan a generous amount of butter. I'm using some homemade chicken burgers from my last video. I love a good char on my burger. Once you have a good char on yours, give it a flip. And now we wait. Once your burger's cooked, add your cheese. You can use whatever you want. Once your cheese is melted, put it aside. Now toast your bread of choice. Of course mine's gonna be Evangeline made. Now we're gonna assemble that sandwich, and you can use whatever you want. I'm just gonna use what I have on hand. A little Kewpie mayo. These crispy onions go so hard. Some for the sandwich, some for me. Our burger patty, some slightly wilted romaine, a little more Kewpie to hold it all together. A fairly low energy lunch. I like to serve mine up with some tater tots, and I gotta have a kombucha.